Hello, my name is Papuna Sahoo. I am from Odisha, Puri. I did my bachelor degree in electronics and Tele-Communication engineering from Parala Maharaja Engineering College. Currently, I am selected in a Voltas Limited company from CTC 2.5 LPA. So, after completing my BTech, I found a job. So, Evision, one of my friends suggested me to join Evision. So after that I only joined the Evision Technosoft Limited. Then after now I got a job in Voltas Limited with a good package. So I would like to thanks all the Evision teams and basically thanks to Sati ma'am and the Dipti ma'am who has supported me all time, and thank you for this opportunity. Thank you, Evision.